Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you more about my tutorials that I have got on this channel. In this video I'm talking about snowflakes. This is the general picture, how they look like. As you know, crocheted snowflakes are so easy and fun to make. They are perfect starting point for the beginners, and you can complete a simple snowflake faster than other project. Adorn your frosty stocking or add one to the gift bowl. You can also add some lacy snowflakes to your Christmas tree or use them for making wintry garland. Create a cute collection of crocheted snowflakes and decorate your home. This is another option how you can use them. And it is one of the best way to get your family in the Christmas spirit. This crochet pattern comes with instruction to add beads or even to crystallize the yarn. You can learn a lot about how to crochet snowflake from this one pattern set. For more beautiful look, I use different colors of yarn and kinds of yarn. Also, while making the snowflakes, I used different sizes of beads. This small variation is made with single crochet stitches. Also, crochet snowflake patterns delight the imagination. Snowflakes are such a magical motif. Every single is unique from the others. They are like the fingerprint of nature. Of course, when you follow crochet pattern, the snowflake that you can might look like some others. That doesn't make them any less delightful, as you will see when you push this design. This roundup includes several crochet snowflake patterns for a simple motif. Add them to another project, attach them to the gift bags, string them into the garlands, or use them as ornaments. In addition to the single snowflake motifs, we have included some accessories patterns that incorporate snowflakes into their design. I remind you, all these models can be found on my YouTube channel. They are a lot step-by-step video tutorials and instructions. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and of course crochet with me, and you will learn more about crocheting and knitting. Good luck in crafting!